In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage expense claims in Xero. The process is straightforward and I'll guide you through it step by step, ensuring that you understand each part so you can efficiently manage your business expenses. First, let's start by logging into your Xero account. Head over to the Xero website and click on the Login button. When prompted, enter your email and password, then click Login again to access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Business tab at the top of the page and click on it. Now, scroll down and find the option for Expense Claims. If this is your first time setting up expenses, you'll be asked to complete the setup process. Don't worry, it's simple. Just follow the prompts provided by Xero and you'll be ready to start adding your expenses in no time. Once the initial setup is done, you can easily add all your expenses. Begin by clicking on New Expenses and selecting Expenses Claim from the drop-down menu. This will open a form where you can fill in the details of your expense. Make sure to enter all relevant information in the respective fields. To keep your records accurate and organized, you can also upload an image of your receipt. Simply click on the upload option and choose the image file from your device. After completing the expense details, review everything to ensure accuracy. If you have the authority to approve expenses, you can click on Approve to finalize the process. However, if you need to send the expense claim to someone else for approval, click on Submit. This will forward the claim to the designated person for their approval. And there you have it, a simple way to manage your expense claims in Xero. By following these steps, you can keep track of all your business expenses with minimal hassle. Remember, keeping your expense records organized is crucial for maintaining the financial health of your business, so make sure to regularly update and manage your expense claims. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or consult the Xero support documentation for additional information.